Hi students, this is Vasudev Panda. Welcome to Master of English. Welcome to another class of grammar. You know, today I have come with a topic. I've seen lots of videos related to those, but I have not seen anywhere somewhere where there is, all the models are there. Okay, and they're telling long rules, long things that very hard to remember for students. That's why I've come with 9 models with 9 rules. With 9 models with 9 rules, that means only the words are there, and you have to remember those words only. Okay, and as you know, our topic is today what model. Model. What is model, guys? Models are words that state, express about what, about one's ability or capacity or probability of an action or possibility of an action. One's ability or capacity and probability and possibility of an action. That's all about in model. So let me start the topic. I'll not waste your time. Let me start your topic. First model is would. Let us take the first model is would. Pile prathame ame dekhiba model would ro byabhar. Mukhali I'm telling only the use. That means which cases it is used. I'm not going to example. If I'll go for example, it will be longer. Within 20 minutes, I'll complete this. All the models, all the usage of models. No bit is left. Yes, no bit, no rule is left. All those things I have jot down. I've taken 1 hour and I've jot down all those rules. I've taken 8. Okay, so yes, would is used for what? First thing, would or yeah, would is used for what? Past habit, polite request, determination, probability, wish or desire, and what? Preference, suggestion, invitation, unwillingness, and refusals. Hope you have remembered. Okay, I'm telling again, note it down. Would is used for past habit, polite request, determination, probability, wish, a desire, preference, suggestion, invitation, unwillingness, and refusal. You are correct. So this is the use of what? Would. This is the use of would. So let us go. What is the use of will? Yes or no? I've taken the past form first of all. So what is the use of will? Will is normally used for, okay, would have completed. Will is normally used for simple future with second or third person. What? Simple future time, sorry. Simple future time with which one? Second or third person. Second or third person. What is second or third person? Yes, you and he, she, it, they. These are what? Third person. You is your second person. With this, we use will to show simple future. Simple future. Okay. Next, what are the other uses of will? What are the other uses of will? Okay. Remember one thing. When will is used with first person, it shows determination. It shows determination. It is often used, and in spoken English, normally we use will. मैं सबले will ही व्यवहार करता हूँ. ठीक है जी पहले. तो will कौन में व्यवहार हुए? Will is used for willingness, intention, request, order. मन रखिबा. Will is used for willingness, intention, request, order, present habit, probability, and prediction, general fact or truth. These are the rules. Okay, what are the condition? In those conditions we use will. Yes, willingness, intention, request, order, present habit, probability, prediction, general fact or truth. So in this sector, in these cases, we use will. Let us see shall. When do we use shall? Shall, rule 1. So shall is used for simple future with first person. Shall is used for simple future with first person. First person means I and we. But the twist, when we use shall with third person, it shows determination. Okay. So rule number 2 is what? Used to express wishes, prediction, permission, promise, suggestion. Wishes, prediction, promise, and suggestion. Shall is used for what? Yes, sense of prediction, permission, promise, suggestion, and wishes. Okay, that's all. That are the sector for which we use. Then comes can. Can is used. The normal use of can is used for what? Ability. The first and foremost use of can is what? per ability. Okay, so what are the next use? Ability. Okay, ability is first one. Capacity, permission, possibility, request, and disposition. These are the sector for which can is used. Maximum sector I'm telling all the sector. Okay, no other sectors are left. So what are those? Ability, can is used for ability, capacity, permission, possibility, request, and disposition. Do you remember? Okay, what are those? I'm telling it again. Can is used for ability, capacity, permission, possibility, request, and disposition. These are the sector for which can is used. Then comes may, the turn of may, model may. Okay, may is used for what? May is used for same thing. Permission, possibility, wish, prayer, purpose. Permission, possibility, wish, prayer, purpose. These are the five sectors for which can be used. What are those? Again, I'm telling again. Permission, possibility, wish, prayer, and purpose. For which what we use? We use which one? May is used. Okay. Next comes the turn up. Which one? That one should. Okay. Should has a various sector. Should are various sector. What are those sector? Let us see. Should is used for first one is advice. Second one is opinion. Third one is suggestion. Fourth one probability. Fifth one necessity. Sixth one duty. Seventh obligation. Eighth request. Nine wish or order. And 10 what? Surprise. Okay, I repeat. We use should in case of advice, opinion, suggestion, probability, necessity, duty, obligation, request, wish, desire, and surprise. Okay, in this sector, when we think these are the sectors, we have to use should. Okay, next could is there. Could is used for past ability. Can is used for present ability. If you are able to do something, then can is used. And for could, when we use could, केतबेले यूज करिबा पिले past ability. ଅତୀତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ କରିପାରୁଥିବ. past ability, possibility, ସମ୍ଭାବନା, possibility, polite request, yes, polite request, and impatience, ଅଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ. How could I do this? Yes, impatience and permission. What are those? Past ability, possibility, polite request, and impatience and permission. In this sector, what use? Yes, would is used. And might, the past form of may, it is considered as, it's not exactly, while changing narration we consider this as what, past tense of may. So might is used for probability, possibility, seek permission, purpose, good wishes, and dissatisfaction. Yes, these are the sector for which we use. What are those? Probability, possibility, to seek permission, then purpose, good wishes, and dissatisfaction. Do you remember? I repeat again. Might is used in this sector. Probability, possibility, seek permission, purpose, good wishes, and dissatisfaction. These are the sector for which we use might. The last one of pure modals is your must. Okay, must is used for what? Must is used for, first thing is obligation. Obligation, when we have to do anything, must, in must cases. So first one is obligation. Obligation, necessity, possibility, determination, prohibition, belief, and to draw a conclusion. What are those? Obligation, necessity, possibility, determination, prohibition, belief, to draw a conclusion. These are the sector. Okay, do you remember? What are those? Yes, I repeat again. Must, we use must in the case of obligation, necessity, then possibility, then what, determination, then prohibition, and belief, and to draw a conclusion. So a question, okay, I've completed 9 medals. Yes or no? Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, and must. Okay, need there, need there, used to and to our left. These are not pure models, so I left them. So guys, there are 13 models. All of 13 models are there in English, and 4 need there, used to or to. These are considered as marginal model, and shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must. These are considered as pure modals. Why they are called pure modals? Because they are only used as modal. That's why they are called pure modals. So that's all. Nothing difficult, nothing big. It's not a big problem. You have to remember only these things. Okay, and your modal related problem is over. Regarding any confusion, any queries, just comment me that I can make video on those. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're new to my channel, just put your thumbs on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, that all the student will be able to see. Okay, thank you for watching.